Hi there, my name is Gabby LaSalle and I am a Bye Bye Belly consultant. I use, consume, and introduce others to using our plant-based, vegan, laxative-free products that target stubborn belly fat, issues with blood pressure, issues with blood sugar, issues with pain, inflammation, insomnia, you name it. We have over 80 products in our arsenal and they are all natural products that support holistic health and wellness. This product has completely transformed the quality of my life. I'm a type 2 diabetic. I have gastrointestinal issues, pain and inflammation issues, chronic pain and inflammation, issues with migraines, issues with insomnia, issues with obesity. And when I tell you this product has been phenomenal towards eliminating many of those elements for me, I can't wait to share all of that with you, but also how becoming a consultant has saved my life as well. So if you want more information, my website is www.byebyebellywithgabby.com.